Hello guys, and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to block someone on Talkatone. To block a caller ID on Talkatone, just dial *67 or 1167 before the phone number you want to call. For example, dial *67123467890 to hide your number. The recipient will see your calls as private, blocked, or unknown. To unblock someone, just dial *82 or 1182. Even if the caller ID blocking is set as default for your line, it will show your number. These codes work on most carriers in the US and Canada. Permanent caller ID settings can be configured through your carrier if you don't want to use the codes repeatedly. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.